Comfort is one of the most important qualities of any home. It affects how well you sleep, relax, work, and spend time with family. While many homeowners focus on furniture, lighting, or decor to improve comfort, windows play a much larger role than most people realize. Drafty, outdated, or inefficient windows can quietly disrupt daily living. For homeowners in Mandeville, upgrading to replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance everyday comfort throughout the home. Eliminating drafts and temperature swings. Older windows often develop small gaps around the frame or lose their ability to seal tightly. These gaps allow outdoor air to enter and conditioned air to escape. In Mandeville homes, this can lead to noticeable drafts and uneven temperatures from room to room. Replacement windows are designed to fit securely and create a tight seal. This reduces unwanted airflow and helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Creating more stable indoor temperatures. When windows no longer insulate properly, certain areas of the home may feel warmer or cooler than others. Replacement windows help Mandeville homeowners achieve more balanced indoor conditions. Living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens feel more comfortable because temperature fluctuations are minimized. Reducing outside noise. Comfort is not just about temperature, it also includes peace and quiet. Older windows may allow outdoor noise to travel inside more easily. Modern replacement windows provide improved insulation and sound reduction. In Mandeville residences, this means a quieter indoor environment where homeowners can relax without constant interruptions from outside activity. Improving indoor air quality. Drafty windows can allow dust, pollen, and humidity to enter your home. Replacement windows help seal out unwanted elements. Mandeville homeowners benefit from cleaner, more controlled indoor air that supports a healthier living space. Enhancing natural light without discomfort. Natural light brightens interiors and improves mood, but poorly performing windows can sometimes cause glare or hot spots. Replacement windows are designed to maximize natural light while maintaining indoor comfort. In Mandeville homes, this means bright, welcoming spaces without excessive heat buildup near window areas. Supporting energy efficiency. When windows perform efficiently, indoor systems do not have to work as hard to maintain comfort. Replacement windows help Mandeville homeowners reduce unnecessary energy loss. By maintaining stable temperatures, they support smooth system operation and improved overall performance. Making rooms more usable. Areas near older windows may feel uncomfortable due to drafts or temperature extremes. After installing replacement windows, Mandeville homeowners often find they can use these areas more comfortably. Seating near windows becomes enjoyable rather than something to avoid. Smoother operation for daily convenience. Sticking or difficult to open windows can limit ventilation and cause frustration. Replacement windows are built for smooth operation. In Mandeville homes, this makes it easier to adjust airflow and maintain comfort when conditions are favorable. Increasing long-term home satisfaction. Everyday comfort contributes to overall satisfaction with your home. Small improvements in temperature stability, quietness, and air quality add up over time. For homeowners in Mandeville, replacement windows offer lasting benefits that improve daily life. The enhanced comfort is noticeable from the moment they're installed. A practical upgrade for everyday living. Windows are more than just design features, they are essential components of home performance. By upgrading to replacement windows, Mandeville homeowners create a more comfortable living environment. Reduced drafts, improved insulation, quieter interiors, and better temperature control all work together to enhance everyday comfort. It's a practical investment that supports a home that feels consistently welcoming and enjoyable year-round.